So Encouragement Friday, we got some good stuff going on today. We've got about 22 minutes left. That should be perfecto. And a brand new life nugget, nugget number 6. For those that have been with us, you guys are all level 2 or above. This is a brand new one. I literally made it up this morning at about 5:05 a.m. when I was up being all creative and things. So I want to share that with you. And it definitely ties into the world that we're talking about today, which is number 3, the super cool video. One of my favorites. You guys have all seen it, but we're going to see it again, all except Carson, because he's new to the crew. So Carson, this one will be super good for you. And then after we've had a little discussion, the reflection question today is actually talking about the video. And I'm wanting to get, again, what's in your head, give you a chance to get it out of your head and into a digital world so that we can know each other a little bit better by the end of period 6 here. All right, so that's the cooker. All right, everybody, go ahead and open up. You are good to go to answer starter question, okay? Now, this one today is going to be your best guess based on how you think Mr. V thinks about life and the world. But here is the sentence. It says, help change the world, one task, one cup, one conversation at a blank. At a what? We're going to be help changing the world, one thing, at a blank. All right. Type it in there. We'll give you a moment to give your best guess. When you've got your answer in there, give me a thumbs up so I know we've got you guys covered. Thank you, Marley. I got Miguel. Thank you. Bryce, did you get that typed in there? Carson did. Thank you. Bryce, did you get your answer typed into?
For the life nugget?
Yeah, question, the starter question 1. Yeah.
Are we still doing the voice cracks or what?
Darn it, you heard that.
Yep.
Thank you. You know what? Seeing that you brought it up, we're going to do that because I'm next to the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, so Raul, since you brought it up, you explain it to Carson while I write it on the board, okay?
Like every week, if he voice cracks like what, 10 times I think it is, or 5?
We did 10. Yeah, 10 was the number.
He has to do a little Friday jig at the end of the week.
That's right.
Friday.
Mr. V. Voice cracks. Okay, we're gonna give this the bubble. What is that? Somebody's got like cool sound effects going or whatever. Okay, I gotta know. Jose, is that you? Just fess up so I know who it was. It's totally him. Okay, good. All right, one voice crack for the week. Since we'll carry this over, we'll start it next week too. So there we go. Yep, it happens. Certainly when we got smoke in the air, it happens more. So, all right, that should have been enough time for y'all to get that word in there. Let's take a peek at what this is all about. So here's your reminder. What the heck is a life nugget? It's a super valuable little life lesson in a small little statement, kind of like holding a 5-ounce nugget of gold in your hands. And as you can see there on the screen, $9,675.75. Dude, that'd be so sweet to have 10 grand sitting right there in the palm of your hand. So that's what we're talking about when it comes to the nugget, okay? Whoops, going this way. Okay, so here's the full nugget. The blank at the bottom was one thing at a time, okay? So the nugget, help change the world, one task, one cup, one conversation at a time, all right? Let me give you a little insight to what I was thinking, and then it'll make a whole lot of sense when we watch our encouragement video today, because He is talking all about what does it take to be a positive change in the world. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this has been a seriously crazy, stressful life on the planet that we are all having to do together. And here we are sitting in virtual classroom, you know, in Mammoth Lakes, California on day 13 of the school year, right? I mean, it's absolutely mind-blowing, crazy. But here's what I want to do. Break down this nugget a little bit. It says, help change the world. Okay. It doesn't just say change the world, change the world. Okay. That's way too much for me to handle. The minute I backed it, I said, no, my job is to help change the world. It's not to change the world. I can't figure out today by myself how to get rid of COVID-19. I just can't. Way too big. Don't have the skill set. Crazy big stuff. But I can choose, right? I can choose to help in some way, shape, or form today if I do these three things. All right. So the first one is, okay, if I can do one task that will help somebody have a better day, I'm helping to change the world. All right. So maybe one task this morning was, I'm going to help get breakfast on the table so mom, dad, or the guardian can help a brother or sister take care of a bunch of school junk. Okay. I'm going to do that task today because it's helping my family. And just that one task has changed the world of our family. All right. Everybody's going out the door with food in their belly and are ready to go, or are hunkered down, ready to get into class, spread out all over the house. Okay. Because I helped change the world by making breakfast for everybody this morning. All right. So that's one task. In the video, he starts off with a simple task. He says, you want to change the world? Make your bed. Okay. That's your little clue intro. Okay. So one task, one cup. If you guys don't know, I'm a serious espresso and coffee geek. Love it. I'm a barista. I like doing it. There's nothing more fun for me than to sit down with somebody that I care about and have a good cup of Java or whatever. And all of a sudden, the dynamic of sharing a cup of coffee and what we talk about can change the world. If not our little world. If we have a healthy conversation, so there's the next one conversation at a time. I don't need to try to talk to 10,000 people on social media every day and try to have these conversations. No. Mind blowing, never works right, too many haters, right? I mean, it's nuts. But what I can choose today to help change the world is to have one conversation with one of you guys, just like I'm doing right now, and to maybe have a positive conclusion that pumps us up, encourages us, and gets us ready to go out and have a killer 3-day weekend. Okay, I can choose to do that. In fact, that's what I was choosing to do this morning at 5:30 when I came up with this whole thing. All right, so one task, just sit down and have a cup of coffee with somebody or have a conversation, whether it's face-to-face or it's over social media, whatever we need to do. But I can choose to help change the world if I do one of these things, just one at a time. I don't need to try to solve everybody's problem today, but I can help one person at a time. And now all of a sudden, if Carson helps one person and Marley helps one person and Efren helps one person, Jose, Raul, Bryce, Miguel, Brandon, Del Toro, Edgar, if all of us that are right here, there's 11 of us on board. If we choose to do this, we can take 11 of us times 1 or 2 other people. Now we're at 33 people. That's a pretty nice impact for our little Eastern Sierra world that we live in. And we can make the choice because we're here on Encouragement Friday, thinking, talking, trying to learn and become a better human being. That's what we're talking about today. Okay. So that is the nugget. Oops, I got the wrong number on that too. I'm going to have to change that. This isn't number uno. It's number 6, but I'll change that. Okay. So here's the story. The video, okay? This is a U.S. Navy SEAL. He's an admiral. He is talking to a graduation class of some kind, and this is his speech. If you've been with me, you've seen it before, but we're going to see it again because it is outstanding. Okay. And that quote that's on the screen right there, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. I love that. That thing runs in my background all the time. I'm rolling out of bed just this morning. It triggered again. Man, do I want to bounce out and get to school first, or should I slow down and make the bed? Because I know I'm married to my beautiful wife of 35 years. She loves it when the bed is made. It's just her thing. Okay. Makes her happy. I can change her world. I can choose to make the bed. Bada bing. Before I even leave the house, I've got one task done and I've made the world better for my wife. Super cool. That's what we're talking about. So in this video, he talks about a whole bunch of stuff. There's my notes from period 5. What? Get out. All these cool things. Every time I hear this, something else kind of hits my ear and my brain a little bit differently. Maybe last year, Marley, when you heard this, you were in a different place in your life, and all of a sudden something else is going to kind of jump out at you. Okay. So our job today, we've got about 10 minutes left. We're going to watch the whole video, and then our reflection question, I'm going to ask you guys to think of at least 1 or 2 points that really kind of hit you. In other words, man, that makes so much more sense to me, or that's a great way to say that, and I'm going to use that in my life. That's what I want you to type into that question and help us to process this cool thing.